Here's a really old lock. It's an old original American 50 series. This is made in about 1860. Pretty darn old. It's a wafer lock. Here's the key. Very interesting double-sided wafer lock. It's very hard to lock back, as you'll see here in a minute, because it's just old and busted. It was designed by a P.S. Felter, and here's the bidding again. He had American lock company do it to his design. There's about 10 to 15 wafers in it. The wafers don't have any springs on each like normal wafers. There's this little S-shaped wire that springs them out when the key's not inserted. It just shoots them back. The wafers are 30,000ths of an inch thick. It's really little. There's no separation between the wafers. They all line up right beside each other. Just like in the Duo, there's no separation. There's 10 depths this thing can have. That's a lot. All the wafers are originally shaped exactly the same. It's kind of cool. And instead of like most wafers, the hole will be in a different place. Well, all these are shaped the exact same. And then they're put into the lock, and the key's inserted, and then they're all trimmed to make the plug. And there it is, open. There's another high security wafer lock. Very old American 50 series. I have a second one here. They take the same key. I did this one because it's got the little thingy for the chain. God, it's really hard to close. I need to clean it. I'll take it to the jewelry store and clean it. Here's the key again. There you go. Damn. There. Thanks for watching.